Happy New Year everyone! Welcome back to Chef Proper TV. At ngayon, hulaan nyo kung nasaan ako. Yes, nasa school tayo ng LPU Laguna at in-invite tayo as a chef guest speaker ng kanilang college week. So, tara! Pakinggan natin kung anong sasabihin ko dito. Let's go!
And passion will always remain the true heart of every kitchen. Our first speaker has 17 years of professional culinary experience, having worked across international restaurants, multi-cuisine kitchens, and global hotel cruise line operation. He currently serves as an assistant chef de partie at the Viking Ocean Cruises. Let's give him a warm round of applause as we welcome Chef Dorothy de Guzman.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for being here and for inviting me. And yun, first of all, siyempre magpakilala muna tayo ng konti regarding our background and our journey to this culinary world. So, as she said, my name is Don Kitty Guzman. I'm currently, ako po ay nag-work sa Viking Ocean Cruise as ACDP. Pero sa land base, I'm a corporate executive chef po ng Forest Manor Garden Resort. And I'm a member of LTV Philippine Chef, which is the premier from World Chef sa France. Kung alam niyo yung Philippine Culinary Cup, I'm for sure you know that one. Kami po yung nag-organize taon-taon sa SMX. And yun, just a brief summary lang. Okay, good afternoon, esteemed faculty and fellow chefs, students, and guests. It's an honor to be here today at the Lyceum of the Philippines University to talk about the topic that is very close to my heart, the future kitchen and chef. We're standing at the age of new culinary era. The kitchen of tomorrow will not look, sound, or operate the same as the kitchen we grow up in. So, nagbabago talaga yung innovation regarding the technology, mga AI, artificial intelligence, and so on. The culinary world is evolving faster than ever. Traditional kitchens, the heart of our craft, our refrigerator natin, meron na siyang system na alam niya kung ano yung mga nandoon. Unlike ngayon, siyempre manual lang. Pag binuksan mo, may kita mo kung ano yung mga, meron pa akong hotdog, 5 piraso. 6 na piraso. But in the future, you have the inventory tracking na. So, imagine that. AI-driven system will help us to forecast sales, automate inventory, and control food costs with precision. So, nandun na rin yung pag-control ng food costs para masabing efficient yung system natin. We will see robotic assisting in repetitive tasks, steering sauces, frying, flipping, portioning, not to replace chefs. Okay. So, ito yung slide ko nga pala. Okay. Robotic arms, automated prep station, smart dishwasher. So, our kitchen will also use low technology to track temperature, sanitation levels, and HACCP log automatically. This means more safety, more accuracy, and fewer risks. That means yung sanitation level is kaya nang matrack before we going to serve to the guests or sa mga customer ng ating restaurant or the food that we are food service natin. So, yun yung future ng ating technology ngayon. And it's happening right now. In tomorrow's kitchen, efficiency is no longer a dream. It's a standard. So yun na yung magiging standard natin and we will be ready on that. And the second one, sustainability will be the large language of every kitchen. The future belongs to chefs who understand sustainability. Restaurant will prioritize zero waste principle, local and regenerative sourcing, plant-forward menus, and energy-efficient equipment. So, not only about this cooking. So meron din tayong responsibility about our environment. as a culinarian, as a chef, and even para makasave tayo ng energy natin sa mga equipment natin. So may mga technology na rin na ginagamit yan, and even more nag-evolve pa talaga. Okay? So, yung slide ko, plant-based innovation, andyan na rin. The lab-ground protein alternative grains, assisted cooking training simulations, inventory automations, predictive ordering, digital dashboard. So lahat is systematic na. Not like when we started to work doon sa mga hindi pa highly standard na establishments, we are all doing it by manual mode. Okay? So the third one that I want to share is the future chef in multidisciplinary. Gone are the days when chefs only needed to cook well. Future chef will be nutritionists, environmental advocates, business strategists, content creators, and cultural ambassadors. So chefs will use technology to analyze food trends, measure content, and communicate story through digital platform. So alam naman natin that social media is talagang grabe yung pag-elevate ng marketing, the food trends, global culinary trends. So yan yung isang factor para mas makilala pa yung mga hotel, restaurants, and even the marketing strategy na ginagamit ng mga companies sa ngayon. Social media will be continue shaping the culinary world, and chefs who can teach, inspire, and engage with hold powerful influence. But beyond technology, the future chef must understand people, our teams, our guests, our communities. The kitchen of tomorrow needs leaders who communicate, who listen, and who build positive and healthy work culture. So, working in the kitchen, like what I said earlier, is totally different sa mga industry that or other industry ng career na pipiliin natin. Dito sa amin, minsan normal na yung sigawan, minsan normal na yung pakala mo nagdadabog na, but it's normal. Okay? Kaya highly pressurized, hindi yung porkit pinagalitan ka ngayon, bukas magre-resign ka na. Meron bang ganun sa atin? So wala pa naman. So sana hindi mangyari. Okay? So marami tayong pagdaraanan when we start our career as a chef. Me, I started also during 2008, 2013, nag-abroad ako. Dumating yung point na minsan binubuli tayo ng mga senior natin, and that's normal. Lagi niyo tandaan, kung mas hinuhubog tayo, doon tayo mas natututo. At that's part of the process. Lagi nating tatandaan yun. Okay? So now, the fourth one is the culinary creativity will evolve to new dimension. Okay. Future kitchen will push boundaries of flavors and technique. Sometimes, if we test the chefs or cooks sa mga trade tests, I'm doing this kasi pag nag-hire ako, bibigyan ko sila ng same ingredients, pero magkaiba sila ng execution. And the result also was different. Kasi yung execution is different talaga. Kahit bibigyan mo siya ng same ingredients, kung hindi niya alam kung ano yung uunahin doon sa procedure, magiging iba yung resulta. And also, the emotions natin as a chef is always intact with the outcome ng ating ginagawang dish. Okay? So we will see the fermentation labs in the restaurants in the future, molecular gastronomy blending with tradition, new ingredients grown in a vertical farm, AI-guided flavor pairing system. So, meron nang nag-a-analyze ng flavor system. We before, gumagamit kami ng rafting or RAFTT. That means the recipe, the appearance, the flavor, the texture, and the temperature. So, paano mag-evaluate ng food? Sensory evaluation, we know already, the 5 basic senses, right? But despite this innovation, the soul of cooking remains the same: hospitality, culture, and heart. Technology will enhance creativity, but it can be replaced the intuition of a chef who understands flavor, memory, and emotion. So, syempre, we are a chef, and we are totally different from robotics AI. The future chef will use innovation to amplify and not replace craftsmanship. And the fifth, globalization will redefine identity and flavor. So, and the future, and as border open and culture connects, chef will explore global flavors in a deeper respect and authentic storytelling. So, when I was in the cruise ship, ito, syempre, the good part I want to share, no? Makaka-travel ka talaga, iba't ibang bansa. France, Italy, Barcelona, Mexico, US, all of Europe, Croatia. So marami tayong napuntahan. That was given as a culinary, di ba? Pero yung first time ko, I just want to share, I was like 90 kilo. First 1 month ko, naging 80. So talagang kumayat ako, di ba? So pwede palang mag-diet doon. Pero yun pala yung stress. Susubukan yung pasensya nyo at bubulihin kayo. They will test you for your first contract. And that was happening talaga. So, be tough, mental, at mas maganda siguro na you can experience first here sa Pilipinas, restaurants, 5-star hotel, and yun, mas marami kayong matutunan before you're going to that part. Okay? Going back, our mission is not to copy, but to interpret. Not to westernize or commercialize, but to celebrate culture through the thoughtful technique and responsible fusion. Ibig sabihin, there are Filipino, Korean, Japanese, Mediterranean, Latin, Middle Eastern. Every cuisine will blend, evolve on exciting ways. So pwede natin gamitin yung different cuisine, but of course we need to respect yung traditional way nila. Okay? And the number 6, the mental health and quality of life will matter more. So nakaka-apekto talaga yon sa atin. For the decades, kitchen work known for pressure, longer hours of working and stress. But the future kitchen cannot survive without broken systems. We will see balanced shift, safer working condition, better communication, leadership training for chefs, mental wellness support. Ayan, meron pala akong mga picture dito na na-compile. So, that was from Bangus Festival, yata sa Dagupan City. I was a chef judge. And, yan, nagturo rin ako ng culinary for 4 years, quite while sa Qatar. Okay, thank you so much for this slideshow. Ayan. Very quick lang. Okay? So, the purpose of chef, of the future chef, more than anything, the future chef must have purpose. Our purpose is to feed, to nourish, to inspire, to protect the environment, to uplift farmers and local communities. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong responsible for the communities. Yung sustainability at magagamit natin yung mga local farmers, it will help them also to grow. Hindi lang tayo in the industry, but the local crops sa ating bansa ay matutulungan din natin. We are not just preparing meals, we are shaping the future of the dining experience. So what does the future hold for us? Smart kitchens, sustainable practices, global flavors, advanced tools, and multidisciplinary chef. But at the heart of it all is you. Your dedication, your passion, your creativity, and your hunger to grow. Technology may change, but the spirit of a true chef never does. It is the same fire that burns inside of every cook. Kailangan meron tayong burning desire. The desire to create something beautiful from simple ingredients. Kung ano yung local na meron tayo. That is the discipline to perfect techniques. The love for sharing food with others. The future kitchen is bright, the future chef is powerful. And then the future of our industry starts with the choices we made today. For the aspiring chef here today, my message is clear. Learn the tools of tomorrow, but never lose the art of cooking. Embrace technology, explore new ingredients, think about sustainability, and understand global culinary trends. But always let your heart guide your craft. Yung passion natin. So, the kitchen of future will challenge us, inspire us, and elevate the way we approach food. And you, the next generation of chefs, will be the forefront and shaping this exciting future. Remember, it's not just about preparing meals. It's about creating experience, memories, and connections. The future kitchen will change how we work, but our mission as a chef to bring joy and nourishment through food will always remain. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing how each of you will shape the culinary world of tomorrow. Mabuhay the College of International Tourism and Hospitality Management. Let's see you. Thank you.
Heart that feels like it will never love this much again.